astrophysics applies physical laws and theories to stars and galaxies in cosmic space. Now, I directly imagine talking of cosmic space. Would you like to have a certain comprehension? Or you are not interested in it? As long as you're breathing here on this planet, you must be interested in some sort of matters related to cosmic space. Here on this planet, you have basics. You have pure science. Is it enough for you to use science here on this planet? Otherwise, you need to know some more matters. Not only here on the surface of this planet, but also in cosmic space. There are so many things you don't know yet. For you to know more matters regarding cosmic space, you should have the effectiveness of application. So, you understand that it is necessary for you to understand the necessity of not only pure science, but also applied science. I don't want to explain the innumerable stars here in this universe. If human beings use and apply some sort of advanced science, human beings have more and more comprehension of this universe. Simultaneously, there is the one you should not forget. It is very much beneficial for you to use application. However, from time to time, you need to go back to basics. If you are all the time intoxicated with the effectiveness of application, you forget the importance of basics, then you should be blind scientifically. I'd like to have some sort of finesse in your mental structure. It is very important for you to have that kind of finesse for you to occasionally go back to basics. Then you avoid becoming blindness. The lecture shall be finished now.